Hey there, Pimple lovers. Today we're going to look at Reddit's popping forum and we're going to discuss the greatest pops for the past 60 days. This ear blackhead is extremely popular, and we'll come back to it in a moment. But first, let's discuss Dr. Sandra Lee's casting call. She's looking for pops, lipomas, and cysts that she can pop on her new TV series. Would you ever participate? Leave a comment below. Here's also a great pop being demonstrated with a comedone extractor tool. And if you're looking for a comedone extractor tool, we'll go ahead and put a great kit with an Amazon link in the description below. Let's watch it again. This individual has what appears to be an infected sebaceous cyst on their back. They probably need to be treated with antibiotics. This type of procedure should be performed by a medical professional. Our favorite is Dr. John Gilmore. He's our favorite doctor on YouTube. And this one's definitely beauties in the eye of the beholder. This is just an oyster with a pearl being exposed. How cool is that? And is that appropriate for popping? Go ahead and leave a comment below. As promised, here is this large ear blackhead. Don't forget to comment if you would participate in a Dr. Sandra Lee TV show. Would you want to be in her casting call? Leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week.
Hey folks, today we're going to look at a 24 karat gold facial mask. You just apply it, let it dry for about 20 minutes, and peel it off. The intent of the mask is to restore collagen and clean out your pores. The masks retail from $20 to over $200 on Amazon, but I'm going to put a link below to one that's under 20 bucks, and it's absolutely amazing. So, if you want to reduce your wrinkles and clean your skin, then pick one up. I'll put an Amazon link below. It's a great gift to give and a great gift to get.